Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add the game to Curseforge. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, adding a game to Curseforge involves submitting a mod or project related to that game. Curseforge primarily hosts and manages mods for various games, and contributors can share their creations with the community. Here's a general guide on how to add a game or a mod for a game to Curseforge. Firstly, log into your Curseforge account using your credentials. In the top right corner, click on your profile name and choose to click Dashboard. This will take you to your project dashboard. Click on the project on the left corner, then click on the Start a Project button to start a new mod project. Then choose the game for which you want to create a mod. Curseforge supports a variety of games, including Minecraft and more. Then choose your category, and I choose mods. Provide details about your mod, including the project name, version, and a brief description. Follow any guidelines or instructions for the specific game. Now, upload the mod files associated with your project. This may include the mod itself, resource, packs, or other necessary files. Fill in additional project information such as categories, tags, and any relevant details that can help users find and understand your mod. Specify permissions and licensing for your mod. This is important for users to know how they can use and distribute your creation. Once you've filled in all the required information and uploaded the necessary files, click on the Start Project button to make your project visible to the Curseforge community. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.